What if I told you that you can actually snack your way to weight loss, without guilt, without starving, and without giving up on taste? Yes, today, we're talking about the top 7 snacks that help you lose weight naturally, delicious, satisfying, and scientifically proven to help burn fat. But before we jump in, tell me in the comments, what's your go-to snack when hunger strikes? Chips, cookies, or something healthier? Alright, let's dive in, and trust me, number 2 will completely change how you snack forever. Number 7, roasted chickpeas, the crunchy protein punch. If you crave something crunchy like chips, roasted chickpeas are your guilt-free savior. They're high in protein and fiber, which keeps you full for hours and helps control those wild hunger spikes. Plus, chickpeas have a low glycemic index, meaning they prevent sudden sugar crashes that lead to overeating. You can season them with a bit of olive oil, salt, paprika, or even a dash of lemon juice, and you've got a crispy, healthy snack ready in minutes. Would you prefer your chickpeas spicy, tangy, or plain roasted? Comment below. Number 6, apple slices with peanut butter, the sweet and creamy duo. Here's the perfect balance: fiber from apples and healthy fats plus protein from peanut butter. This combo slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and curbs sweet cravings naturally. Studies show that apples can help reduce belly fat, and peanut butter keeps you satisfied longer, so you're not reaching for junk food later. Just remember, moderation is key. Stick to 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and 1 medium apple. Fun fact, apples contain polyphenols that can actually help burn more calories during exercise. Number 5, veggie sticks with hummus, fiber, flavor, and fullness. Craving something savory? Grab carrot, cucumber, or bell pepper sticks and pair them with a creamy hummus dip. This snack is packed with fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based protein that keeps your hunger at bay for hours. Hummus, made from chickpeas and tahini, not only boosts digestion but also helps regulate appetite hormones. It's like eating chips and dip, only this time, it's helping you lose weight instead of gain it. If you could only pick one, hummus or guacamole, which one would you choose? Number 4, air-popped popcorn, the low-calorie comfort snack. Yes, you heard that right, popcorn can help in weight loss. When air-popped and without butter, popcorn is a whole grain loaded with fiber and surprisingly low in calories. 3 cups of air-popped popcorn contain only around 100 calories, yet it keeps you feeling full thanks to its volume and crunch. Just skip the artificial butter and salt instead, sprinkle on some nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor or a pinch of cinnamon for a sweet twist. Did you know? Popcorn is actually higher in antioxidants than some fruits and veggies. Number 3, Greek yogurt with berries, the gut-friendly sweet treat. Here's a snack that tastes like dessert but works like a fat burner: Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, protein, and calcium, all of which promote fat metabolism and gut health. Top it with blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and improve digestion. This combo supports your microbiome, helping your body use nutrients more efficiently. Pro tip: always choose unsweetened Greek yogurt and add a drizzle of honey or chia seeds for natural sweetness and extra fiber. Number 2, mixed nuts, the tiny fat burners. Don't fear, fats the right kind actually helps you lose weight. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all working together to reduce hunger and improve metabolism. Studies show that people who eat nuts regularly are leaner and have a lower risk of obesity. Just keep your portion to a small handful, around 1/4 cup, and avoid salted or sugar-coated varieties. Fun fact, walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids that actually help your body burn more calories at rest. Number 1, dark chocolate, the guilt-free indulgence. Yes, you can have chocolate and still lose weight as long as it's dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more. Dark chocolate helps reduce stress hormones like cortisol, which are often linked to belly fat. It also improves metabolism, enhances mood, and keeps you from binge eating sugary junk later in the day. Pair a small square of dark chocolate with a few almonds for a perfectly balanced, heart-healthy snack. Be honest, how often do you reach for chocolate when you're stressed? Tell me in the comments below. So there you have it, 7 delicious snacks that help you lose weight without guilt. From crunchy roasted chickpeas to creamy Greek yogurt with berries, these are snacks you'll actually look forward to eating. Remember, healthy snacking isn't about avoiding food, it's about choosing smarter fuel for your body. Which one of these snacks are you going to try first, popcorn, nuts, or dark chocolate? Comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your snack-loving friends, and subscribe for more fun, fact-based health videos every week. Because here, we make healthy living deliciously simple.